day out today because today is Saturday, and I'm just gonna bring you guys along, you know, because you guys are like my besties, you know, so like come along with me. So we're currently waiting for our food right now. Me and my sister, we both got like noodles, like ramen, but yeah. Bro, these are like literally such pretty like shoes. Like look at these. There's also like this pretty mirror. I like don't mind this black thing. This is just like my phone's strap, but yeah. So it says I need to add 1 extra large egg and 1/3 cup of softened butter. So I'm done making the cookie dough like base, and now I need to like measure the tablespoons. So yeah. So I finished this tray, and now I need to do this tray, and I have this much dough left. But yeah. So I put my cookies in the oven, and I have to wait like 19 minutes.